Are you experiencing certain changes in your body and wondering if you might be pregnant? This is the question that many have asked themselves before. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of early pregnancy signs. These signs can vary greatly from person to person, so keep in mind that it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for a definitive answer. So without further ado, explore the 5 early signs of pregnancy. The first sign that often sparks suspicion is a missed period. You see, our bodies operate on a rhythm known as the menstrual cycle, typically running its course every 28 days. It's a dance of hormones, with the grand finale being the shedding of the uterine lining if no fertilized egg has come to nest. If that finale doesn't occur, it could be an encore performance from a little zygote indicating a potential pregnancy. But hold your horses. Before jumping to conclusions, it's important to remember that our bodies are complex systems. A missed period could also be the result of stress, significant weight changes, or other health issues. So, while it's a compelling clue, it's not a definitive answer. Think of it as a mystery novel. A missed period is merely the first chapter, intriguing, yes, but far from revealing the whole story. So, a missed period might be a sign, but it's not a guarantee. It's just one piece of the puzzle. The second sign of early pregnancy is the notorious morning sickness. Now, don't be fooled by the name. Despite what it suggests, morning sickness isn't relegated to the early hours of the day. It can strike at any time, day or night. So, what exactly is morning sickness? It's typically characterized by a feeling of nausea, often accompanied by vomiting. This symptom is believed to be triggered by increased levels of certain hormones in your body. And while it's a common sign of early pregnancy, it's important to note that not everyone will experience it. Some people might feel mildly nauseous. Others may grapple with frequent bouts of vomiting, and then there are those who might not feel sick at all. So, if you're feeling queasy around the clock or not at all, don't fret. These variations are perfectly normal. Remember, morning sickness affects everyone differently, and some people may not experience it at all. The next 2 signs are changes in the breasts and increased urination. So let's dive into those. Hormonal changes in early pregnancy can lead to breast tenderness and enlargement. This can feel like a heightened sensitivity or a fullness in the breasts. It's your body's way of preparing for the important task of breastfeeding. On the flip side, you might also notice an uptick in your trips to the bathroom. The cause? You guessed it, hormonal changes. These changes increase blood flow to your kidneys, filling your bladder more often, and thus you might find yourself needing to urinate more frequently. However, it's crucial to remember that these symptoms can also be related to other conditions or hormonal fluctuations. For instance, breast tenderness can be a sign of your menstrual cycle, and increased urination can be due to a urinary tract infection. So while these signs might point towards pregnancy, they can also be attributed to other factors. The 5th and final sign we're discussing today is fatigue. Fatigue is more than just feeling a bit sleepy. It's an overwhelming sense of tiredness that may make your usual activities seem daunting. You might find yourself needing more rest than usual or struggling to get through the day without a nap. Now, why does this happen during early pregnancy? The answer lies in the hormonal changes. As the body prepares itself for the journey of pregnancy, there's a surge of hormones, particularly progesterone, which can make you feel tired and sleepy. This is your body's way of saying it's working hard to create a nurturing environment for your little one. However, remember that fatigue can also be a sign of stress, poor nutrition, or other health issues. It's crucial to listen to your body and take care of your health, whether you're expecting or not. Like the other signs, fatigue is not exclusive to pregnancy, but it's often one of the early signs. So there you have it, the 5 early signs of pregnancy. We've navigated through missed periods, morning sickness, changes in breast appearance, increased urination, and fatigue. However, keep in mind these signs can vary greatly from person to person and could also hint at other conditions. Always remember, if you suspect you might be pregnant, the best course of action is to take a pregnancy test or consult a healthcare professional. Stay healthy and take care.